Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you how to make this deer string art that you can use for decoration. I got it because I thought it would go well with my room. I want to do a camping and great outdoor theme room. So let's get started. So the things that are included are your pre-nailed wood plank. It has the deer design on it. And then this is hanging hardware. It has two little green felt pieces to make sure it doesn't scratch your wall or anything. I already put those on. And then some embroidery thread to go around and make your design. So the materials you need from your house are some scissors and some hot glue. So first, start at a point wherever you want on here. This says to start here, but I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna start right here. And this has a pattern that you could follow and put your string, but I'm gonna make up my own. So let's get started finding our point. So I tied a knot on my starting point, and the next step is to do your pattern. So I'm gonna make up my own pattern. I'm not gonna follow this, so I'm just gonna go around like that. I finished this and I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I want to hang it in my room. I'm going to show you how to attach the hanging hardware on the back. You're going to need a screwdriver and your hanging hardware that came in the package. So you need to find the middle of your board and then put this piece on there and then screw in your screw just right into the back of your thing. Just finished screwing this in. I'm done, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're watching this, and I want to give a special thanks to my sister for filming this and putting up with me.